Hey Maurice, it's Paul. We're just going to give you a little bit of idea about what's going on your website, what it needs to rank high for Google, and sort of what some of the competition's doing as well. So, and some of the search volume. So we'll look at some of that. Google's looking for how do we rank you as the authority in the space. So they've got to have enough content on your website. Is it keyword rich? You know, are those keywords the things that people are actually typing in to search for you? And are you being popped up in that content to be able to be popped up in Google search algorithm? So 1,500 words minimum is what we always recommend. And then doing it in a way so it's educational, it's from a branding standpoint, it tells about who you guys are and lists some of your services. And then how do we break that up so that AI can kind of parse that into some chunks to reply back on some of the new AI search now. So those are the ways that the content is all very, very important. It's the foundation. It's the number one thing we have to get right. The second thing are what we call backlinks. So these are other websites that have content on it, and there's a link on there that might be the word Arkansas Mobile Notary, and when you click on that, it links back to your website. So there's different strength levels in those backlinks. We're always trying to go get the an analysis of what your competitors are doing, find better, bigger, stronger backlinks of what they have so that we can start to be pushed up in that search ranking. Third thing is citation. So this is your name, address, and phone number on online directories. We're building a big footprint, trying to show you guys have a big presence out there on the internet. It's also setting up social media channels, having all of those linked to each other and back to your website. Very, very important. As well as your Google business profile and having that also linking to all of those different channels as well. So we do optimizations on all of that to really get those things working together really well. And then the majority of what we're doing on an ongoing basis is writing content, might be blog posts, might be content for your Google business profile, and building those links to strengthen up the site and power up those keywords. So that's sort of it in a nutshell as far as like what we do. Let's look at what's going on. You don't have a whole lot of content on your website. It definitely needs to be enhanced, and then add in some of those keywords so that it can just be picked up by Google and start to rank you guys further. Let's look at, I just typed in this one because I'm giving you a sneak peek. There's some volume here in this Notary Middletown, New York. Of course, you've got UPS store, major mailbox, and this Mitchell Mobile Notary up there in the map section. So you definitely want to try to be in this top 3 of this. And then you want to be in the top 3 as much as possible in the organic section down here below. So, everybody knows what the UPS store is. The Notary Cafe is sort of a service to connect notaries. And then this one's actually looks like it's a company. So we'll look at that one. But first I want to show you just what your website's doing. I dropped you into this program called Ahrefs. It allows me to kind of see how many keywords you're being found for, how much traffic you're getting, all of that stuff. You guys have a really strong URL backlink profile. Not so much on the whole overall domain, but definitely in one particular URL. That is showing a little bit of strength there for those 31 backlinks that you have. Now, looking at the organic traffic, you're getting 43 off of 67 different keywords. Now, I like to look at what those keywords are, and you'll see what kind of why I picked out that Middleton, New York one. There's 100 searches a month on that one. It's a 0 in the keyword difficulty, so that leaves it pretty wide open. You guys are way down in position 36 right now, but there needs to be some content created on that page with just done in a way that includes that search term, and that way you could be picked up and pushed up even further, and then start building backlinks to that. So that'd be a way to start to tackle that keyword. Now, there's other ones where Manhattan, you can see it's pretty competitive with the 24 with this Morgantown, West Virginia, another 70 with the 0 KD. You actually guys got 2 traffic off of that this month. Now, let's go look at some of these other keywords. So like Chicago, 250 search volume, Pleasanton, 200 search volume. Those would be the keywords, the higher volume, the lower difficulty ones that I would go after. Now, for what's ranking in Arkansas and just some national keywords, the Arkansas Association of Notaries page is actually ranking really well, and I'm just going to show you just some of it. Doesn't have a whole lot of content on it, but it is the Arkansas Notary, so that's going to be helpful to them. Also, things that go into that play are just the longevity of the URL and stuff. But look at what they've got going on. So 2.3 on the domain rating and a 4.9 on the URL rating. So They don't have a whole overall very strong website, even though they've got more backlinks and they're coming through 76 locations. They just don't have as much. But what they do have is a lot of organic traffic coming in, and that's coming in to the page for notaries near me. So that's definitely a keyword you want to go after. It's very difficult on a 38 scale. They are in the top 3 positions for that, and so that's why they're popping up for that search term. But 6,400 people are searching that each month, trying to find notaries near them. Looking at just a bunch of other keywords that they found, these are a lot of more broad keywords that are more national. So public notary near me, it just doesn't have a city on it. So 5,100 on the search volume on that. You got where can I get a notary near me, 600 search volume on that one. So just on and on, a lot of good keywords to go after. The small town notary is actually in that 3rd position on that Middleton, New York, and this is what I'm seeing on it. 4.9 on the domain rating, 4.7 on the URL rating, only 14 referring domains with 32 backlinks coming through those, and they're getting 58 traffic and 26 on the number of keywords that they're being found for. And so looking at those, you can see they're in that 5th position for Notary Middleton. They're getting 9 traffic out of that 100, so almost 10% of that. You've got mobile notary where they got 44 clicks on that, but there's 12,000 people that look at that each month, and they're way down in position 18. So not sure who those 44 people are, but that's a little out of the norm. And you can just see like there's other keywords. These are all again more national type keywords like local notary, notary near me, notaries near me, those types of things. And then you can also see like Notary Howard Beach with 40 searches a month, 0 KD, Notary Staten Island, 250 searches a month, 0 KD. So that's where I like to really focus and put my effort is on those low KD, higher volume keywords that are location specific, but we have to have the content on each of those pages to support that. And just looking at Arkansas notary or notaries near me, so that gets searched 8,600 times. It's pretty hard on the difficult ranking, but if you can get it, definitely go for that. And Arkansas, this Arkansas site is actually ranking #1 for that. So that's sort of it in a nutshell. It's the 3 things that you're focused on: content, getting the content right, getting your backlink profile built so that you're powering up individual keywords, and then getting your citations so that you have just a bigger website presence than your competitors have, and get your Google business profile and all that optimized in that is the way to go. So hope that was helpful. We'll talk a little bit more in our call this afternoon, but just wanted to get this over to you.